Spring is almost upon us here at Riverside Honda, and we've been doing some spring cleaning of our own with shiny new deals on brand new Hondas. Check out these super clean offers.
Lease this 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback EXL with navigation for only $279 per month.
Alex, it says here you recently got a car with Riverside Honda, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
What did you buy?
I bought a Honda Sport SI.
How was the sales experience shopping at Riverside Honda?
They looked at my price range and just helped me out and just made it simple and easy and fast.
That's perfect. Josh, what's one thing about Alex that everyone out there in Riverside should know?
Well, he sings a lot in the showers.
He sings a lot in the shower, really?
Dark secret right there.
Alex, tell us something about Josh that Riverside should know.
He does a really good Happy Feet dance.
Josh, Happy Feet dance now.
There it is.
Wow. Check us out on HondaRiverside.com today to see even more great deals that you just can't miss.